Hey my friend, Adam here. What if I told you that you could launch a profitable online business today without spending a dime up front? No coding, no ads, no marketing degree required. Just a laptop, Google, and a free tool that I'm about to give you. I know, that probably sounds like one of those get-rich-quick things you usually scroll right past, but this is different. I'm not here to sell you a course or pitch you some $9.97 program. I'm here to give you the exact systems that I use every day to make $300 to $500 a day in passive income. For free. And if you hit that like button and drop giveaway in the comments below, I'll send you access to everything. The templates, the tools, and a private community, all 100% free. Let's start with something you probably already know, but maybe haven't fully realized yet. Small business owners are busy. Like, I forgot to eat lunch, and haven't opened my laptop in 3 days, and I'm answering calls while driving to the next job. That kind of busy. Imagine being a plumber. You're under a sink, tools everywhere, your phone rings, but you don't even hear it. But that missed call could have been a $500 client. And this happens not once, not twice, but 3 to 5 times a day, every single day. Now, multiply that across every local service-based business out there. I'm talking electricians, massage therapists, dog groomers, dentists, real estate agents, auto mechanics. The list goes on and on forever. All of these businesses are too busy doing the work to answer the calls that bring in more work. And here's the kicker. Most of these businesses are already actively trying to grow, and they want more leads, more clients, more calls, and more sales. Many of these businesses have already paid for SEO so they can show up at the top of the search engines. They've boosted Instagram posts in order to try to reach more potential clients. And some are even spending money on Google ads, literally paying to get more phone calls. But none of that matters if no one answers the phone when a new lead calls. And that, my friend, is the invisible bottleneck that's silently draining their revenue. Alright, well here's a not so fun fact. Did you know that 62% of calls to small businesses go unanswered? I mean, just think about that for a second. 62% of people calling a business in order to get more information or book an appointment or place an order get ignored. Now sure, not every call becomes cash in the bank, so let's just lowball this and assume that only 10% of those missed callers would have booked or bought if someone or something had picked up the phone. But let's make this real with some everyday examples. Say you're running a spa that gets about 20 calls a day. If 62% of those calls go unanswered, that's 12 missed calls. Even if just 10% of those were potential bookings, that's 1.2 lost customers a day. At around, say, $150 per appointment, that's $180 lost daily, which adds up to more than $65,700 a year. Now, picture a local HVAC or home services business. With 35 calls a day, you're missing 22 of them. 10% of those is 2.2 lost jobs a day, and at $350 per job, you're looking at $770 lost daily, or nearly $281,000 a year in missed revenue. And for something like a dental or medical practice, at 50 calls a day, 31 go unanswered. That's 3.1 missed patients a day, and at say $200 per visit, that means $620 a day, or about $226,300 a year in lost opportunity. Now, even if your numbers are half of these, this is still a 5-figure leak. But wait, it gets worse, because most customers don't just buy once. So if your average customer comes back 2 or 3 times a year, you're not just losing one sale, you're losing 2 to 3 times that amount, which means the potential revenue losses here could actually be well into the 6, possibly even 7-figure range. Ouch. This means most businesses are losing a ton of revenue, not because their offer sucks, not because their ads didn't work, simply because nobody picked up the phone. Let me tell you a story that might sound familiar. Last month, I had a last-minute event pop up, and I looked like I just rolled out of a 6-month hibernation, so I was in desperate need of a haircut. But my regular place was closed, so I did what most people do. I Googled barbers near me. The first place I called, no answer. Second place, straight to voicemail. Third one, finally, someone picked up, and guess who got my money? Now, I didn't scroll through reviews, I didn't check their Instagram, I didn't even ask about pricing. I just needed someone to help me look respectable as fast as possible. Now, imagine you're the owner of that first barbershop. Or the second. You paid to show up at the top of Google. You paid to get my attention. But when I called, nobody picked up. That's not just a missed call. That's a missed client, a missed tip, a missed repeat business opportunity, missed referrals, all gone in 30 seconds. And this happens every day to thousands of local businesses, from hair salons to massage therapists to dog groomers to med spas to real estate agents. And like I said, the list goes on forever. Any business that books appointments or answers questions over the phone is bleeding money every time they miss a call. Think of it like this. Their business is a bucket. Now, marketing fills it, but missed calls punch holes in the bottom. The more calls they miss, the more money leaks out. And that's why this opportunity exists. Because when you show up with a simple way to fix this problem, on autopilot, you become one of the most valuable people they've ever talked to. Now, here's where things get fun. Let's play a game for a second. Imagine for a second that you're running a barbershop. Now, you're with a client and your phone rings. Do you A, stop mid-cut and scramble for the phone with wet hands? B, do you let it ring, cross your fingers, and hope that they leave a voicemail? Or C, let your AI assistant just handle the call for you? Yeah, you pick C, because now you've got something called voice AI. So instead of missing the call or sending them to voicemail, which, let's be honest, no one checks anymore, voice AI automatically picks up the call. It sounds natural, professional, and personalized, and it asks the caller the right questions, like their name and why they're calling and what time they want to book an appointment. It then automatically updates your CRM and routes the lead if needed, or triggers an automated follow-up, and it does this all in real time and all without you doing anything. You can customize the voice, the greeting, the flow, and it's fully 100% brandable to whatever business you want to use it for. And because it's all powered with AI, it works 24/7, so you or your clients never miss another call, which means no more losing leads, no more missed appointments, just consistent, hands-free growth. That's why this is one of the fastest, easiest, and most valuable services you can set up for local businesses. It replaces the need for a receptionist or full-time assistant, or you can use it to just fill the gaps when they're unavailable, like when they're busy with a client or it's after hours sometime. It's efficient, it's reliable, and business owners love it because it works. But let me give you a personal example. A while ago, I was doing some deep work when I noticed a missed call pop up on my phone. Obviously, no voicemail, no follow-up, they were just gone. But here's the kicker. This wasn't for my marketing business. It was for Fog and Fire, my pottery brand. You know, my creative outlet, my off-screen passion project, or whatever you want to call it. Either way, I didn't start this side hustle to become a full-time receptionist, but that's what it was starting to feel like. And since most people don't leave voicemails or call back, every missed call was a missed sale. So I decided to plug in voice AI and give it a shot. No big plan, no big strategy behind it, I just wanted to see if it would help. And what happened kind of blew my mind. The voice AI picked up calls that I would have never even seen, and it responded instantly, and it even started filling my wait list, all automatically, without me having to do a single thing. And here's the part that I really didn't expect. As someone who's spent over a decade in marketing and who's created campaigns for some of the biggest brands and businesses in the world, like Google and Amazon and Meta, I thought I had things under control. I thought I'm probably not missing that many leads, and people will follow up, and AI won't sound human enough for my brand. But I was wrong on all counts, and almost overnight, I was no longer worried about missing leads. I wasn't glued to my phone, and it made the entire business feel smoother and more professional and just way less stressful. And when you give that to a business owner, that's worth way more than $300 or $500 a month or whatever you decide to charge them. Actually, let's call up my pottery studio now and we'll speak to Sarah, who's my AI assistant, just so you can see what she sounds like.
Hey, you have reached Fog and Fire. How can I help you today?
Hey, is this Sarah?
Yep, this is Sarah. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I was just wondering if Adam was around.
I'm sorry, Adam is currently working on a project right now. But I'd be happy to take your name and number and a quick note about your call so someone from the studio can follow up.
Pretty cool, hey? Now, obviously I should have probably left my name and number and wait for her to reach me, but she knows where to find me. I can then log into my dashboard and see the transcript for the entire call. So now let me show you how to set it up in just a few minutes using the exact process I use for my own clients. And I'll even show you how to get my super secret jet-fueled powered prompt that takes voice AI to a whole other level of effectiveness. The best part is this is all completely plug and play, copy and paste kind of thing. You don't need to be a developer, you don't need to know how to code, and you definitely don't need a huge budget. So let's hop into the computer here and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Step 1, create your voice AI agent. First, log into your account and then inside your dashboard, just go to Settings, AI Agents, and click Create Agent. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I'll show you how to get an extended free 30-day trial to the software, as well as all of my prompts and trainings and workflows and everything that you need to automate all of this and a whole lot more. Then you want to give it a name like receptionist bot or barbershop assistant and choose a voice that you like.
Hey, Worldly 11 Labs friends, let's talk. Let's have a conversation about anything. My name's Jessica, and I'm looking forward to chatting with you.
And there's a ton to choose from. And then after that, you want to write your greeting. Something like, hey, thanks for calling Sharp Cuts. How can I help you today? Step 2, set the agent's goals. In basic mode, you can have it collect simple info like name, email, phone number, and what they're calling about. Or you can switch to advanced mode to get more specific, like routing calls and triggering workflows and even sending a follow-up SMS during the call. Now, my advice here is to start with basic just to get it set up. But after that, it really doesn't take that much time to make a few tweaks in advanced mode that can really take this thing to the next level. Step 3, assign a phone number. You connect the voice AI to any number in your account, so when someone calls that number, your AI agent answers automatically. Now, if you want to link it to your existing phone number, that's easy too. All you've got to do is set up call forwarding through your phone settings or your carrier's website so that, say, after 3 rings or so and nobody answers, the AI automatically steps in and takes care of things for you. You can even set business hours if you want the bot to only handle calls after hours or when staff are typically busy. Again, you're in complete control here. Step 4, let the AI work for you. Once it's live, the agent picks up every call, it chats naturally, it collects info, and it updates your CRM in real time. It can even trigger email summaries or text follow-ups after the call, so nothing slips through the cracks. And this whole entire thing takes maybe 10 to 15 minutes tops to set up, and once it's live, you've got yourself a full-time phone assistant working 24/7 for a fraction of the cost of a human receptionist. So now that your voice AI agent is up and running, let's talk about the fun part. Getting paid for it. Because this isn't just a cool tool, it's a legit service that businesses will happily pay for. Here's how I do it. I offer this as a simple monthly package to local businesses. Again, think dentists, barbers, realtors, massage therapists, electricians, roofers, anyone who can't always get to the phone, but who also can't afford to miss a call. And here's the pitch. I'll set up a fully automated phone assistant that answers missed calls, qualifies leads, books appointments, and follows up so you never miss another opportunity. Pro tip for you here. I've tested a ton of variations on this, and what works best often depends on the client and the niche. So try rotating through these closing lines to match the tone and pain point of the business that you're pitching to. So every call turns into a client, so you capture every lead even when you're off the clock, so you stay booked without lifting a finger. They all work, so just rotate through them until you find the best one for the type of client you're dealing with. That's it. No ads, no content, no websites or fancy funnels, just solving a real problem and delivering real results. Now, most business owners already know that they're dropping the ball on missed calls. They feel it, so you don't have to convince them of how valuable this is. All you need to do is just show them how this fixes it. And the best part is you can easily charge $300 to $500 per month for this setup. And it's all recurring revenue because it keeps working every day, every call, week after week, month after month. And business owners love that it just works. You can sell it with or without a one-time setup fee, and you can easily include monthly services like call monitoring and performance reports and agent updates if needed, because all of this is simple to do from your dashboard and only takes you a few seconds. You can even bundle it with other services like missed call text back or review requests or appointment reminders to increase the value and charge even more. This is how I've helped clients add thousands in revenue without touching ads or funnels or complicated software. So if you're still watching, here's the next smart move. Click the top link in the descriptions below this video and claim your 30-day free trial to the exact AI system that I just showed you. The same one I use for myself and to help local businesses capture leads and book appointments and grow their businesses on autopilot. You'll get full access to the AI software, pre-built AI voice agents, ready-to-use templates and automations, the 5-day challenge that walks you through landing your first paying client, one-on-one Zoom setup support, and over $7,000 worth of tools and scripts and workflows and training, all included with zero upfront cost. No experience needed, no cold calls, no ads, no tech headaches, just a proven system that's already working and ready for you to plug in and launch today. So click or tap the link below, enter your info, and I'll send everything straight to your inbox. And if you're looking for another valuable, easy to sell service that you can stack on top of this one, check out the video I've got linked up right here. In it, I'm going to show you how to find clients, automate everything, and make money using Google Maps, even if you're starting from scratch.